experiment. Okay. First of all, it's important to know the purpose of the titration experiment. Peter, can you tell us the purpose of this experiment?
Yes. The end of this activity is to conduct titration experiment, which help to determine concentration of the solution as well as percentage, purity and impurity.
Okay, thank you. Yes, before beginning our experiment or titration experiment, we have different apparatus on our table, and the first stage will be apparatus center. We place our bullet in a position so that you can focus there to the meniscus. And then we have two beakers of substance. The first beaker have hydrochloric acid and the second beaker have sodium hydroxide as base. Then the second procedure, we fill the bullet with acid up to 0 now. Yes. Then we take empty conical flask and then we use 25 pipettes to pipette the base into the conical flask. As you observe that the color of our base is colorless, then we add 2 or 3 drops of POP indicator. As you see that the color change from colorless to pink. Then we note that initial volume it is 0 centimeter cubic. Then we start to titrate the acid to the base. Thus, it was expected that at our end of titration, the color will change from the pink to the colors. And now, as you observe that the color is already changed. And not all chemical reactions are suitable for the titration. Therefore, there are conditions necessary for the titration to take place. Visit, can you tell us conditions necessary for the titration?
Yes, for conditions necessary for the titration include the following. First, the reaction should be fast so that the titration to be performed at the convenient time. And the second, the reaction should be completion, and therefore the reaction should be not reversible reactions. And the third, the reaction should be free from the side reaction, so that, or it means that the reaction can be presented by the single chemical equation. And the fourth, the reaction should have the definite endpoint, so that it can be determined accurately. And note that the common titration, it includes acid-base reactions, precipitation reaction, and redox reaction. Thanks.
Thank you. Not only that, but also titration experiments have significance. Yvette, can you tell us the significance of titration experiment?
Yes, titration have the following significance. The first one helps to determine the volume of acid and base. The volume of acid and base used to determine a certain purity of substance. Then it used to determine the amount of water of crystallization of substance. Then it helped to determine the relative atomic mass of an unknown element.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you. I hope that you have enjoyed a lot our demonstrations, and here is our ending of our demonstration. Thank you.